Congratulations, your offer got accepted. But don't pop the champagne just yet because you have officially entered the closing period, which is usually a 30-day sprint to the finish line where things can still go wrong. The moment you go under contract, the clock starts ticking on your inspection period, where you have a few days to hire a professional to check the home for major issues. Once that hurdle is cleared, your lender will order an appraisal to ensure the house is actually worth what you are paying for it, and the title company will start digging into the property's legal history. During this time, the most important rule is to freeze your finances. Do not buy a new car, do not open new credit cards, and do not change jobs, or your loan could be denied days before closing. This process can feel overwhelming, but the reward is building your own equity instead of your landlord's. If you are currently renting and want to track your journey to this closing table, you need to check out my exclusive app designed specifically to turn renters into homeowners. It is the ultimate tool to bridge that gap. So click the link in the description to start your path to ownership today.